Hi, my name is Alfredo Rossato. I purchased this HVAC through SaveCal, and I'm pleased with these guys. These guys did a professional job. They showed up on time, was very clean with their business, and everything was courteous and just took care of business the way they should. So I'm glad that I found this company, and they actually went through my whole entire system, pulled out the old system, showed me what they were taking out of the attic, and they installed a new system. I was here all day, so I was able to witness what they actually, the work that they put in and the quality work they put in. So I'm quite pleased with it, and I appreciate them very much. Thank you.
Was there anybody you worked with in particular on this job?
Yeah, I work with Rich. He's a great guy, man. I mean, I really like that guy. And Orion as well. He was my sales guy. And I forgot the actual unit installer. His name is Wilson. Wilson's great, man. All three of those guys, they tag teamed it and put it together and made it happen for me.
Thank you. Thank you.